do you like, kumbaga, look beyond mid-year and even to the SEA Games? Like, medyo may kakaroon na po kasi ng definition ng schedule, but feeling ko maraming tatamaan league.
Correct. No, for the SEA Games, it's going to be tough, especially because we received the circular last week from the host, and they will be strict on FIBA rules. So this means, unlike past SEA Games where we can have an Ange Pamel, Justin Brown be the same, that's no longer going to happen. Unless we get Ange to be a local somehow, but I think it's going to take time for people to even consider that. But yeah, we have been discussing it a lot. We have no concrete plans yet because there's a lot of suggestions and kailangan lang talagang pag-aralan ng mabuti ano yung best way to form a more formidable team.
Is it gonna be in conflict with local tournaments here, like the
Yes, that's another challenge for us because the past now, the UAP would start in July and then in September, and then you would have the best players from the UAP and the NCAA play the game. But that is a challenge now because both leagues end in December and they start later in the year. So, yun yung mga challenges. Mahirap talaga siya, pero ako I'm confident na magagawa natin yung paraan, especially with stakeholder meetings like this, where we put all our heads together and we put our personal interest aside for the country.
Ma'am, yung mga Japan B-League ba, Korea, hindi na makaka-SEA Games yun because of the schedule? The SEA Games?
I can't speak for those leagues, no? For the players, there is naman a commitment on their end to play. But of course, it will still depend on their ball clubs, which we cannot control naman yung kanilang contracts there. And unlike the FIBA windows, where FIBA obliges these ball clubs to release the players to the national team, they do not do it.
So ma'am, due to the circular, hindi na po mangyayari yung nangyari sa Cambodia na multiple naturalized
I hope so,
players?
no? Kung magawan pa nila ng paraan na ganon, ewan ko, baka ewan natin. But that's the idea. I think that's the idea of Thailand. Na talagang halos lahat local talaga yung maglalaro, yung mga dito lumaki.
So walang naturalized po sa FIBA?
They set FIBA rules, so I guess there's one exception.
Definitely.
Yes, meron na siyang actual circular na
would it be safe to assume that it would be an entirely different composition for the SEA Games from the ones that we are so used to in the FIBA?
At this point in time, I would say yes, but again, there's no solid plan, so things can change. It can change for the better, it can change for the worse, we don't know yet. But the plan we have at this moment, which I don't want to reveal yet because we haven't really solidified it, is that it will be. We also want to give a chance for the next generation to be able to compete with